going to learn betweenness. Betweenness, this word betweenness. Betweenness means if the given objects are some objects are given, and between the given object some are surely in between the remaining one. For example, on the straight road, suppose this is the straight road, here is one hospital, here is a market, and here is ST stand. Now if all these three are in one road only, straight line, so we can say that market is between hospital and ST stand. So for betweenness, the points or the objects, given objects must be in a straight line. So for talking about the points, if the points are collinear, then only we can say the points are in between each other. Unless and until the points are not collinear, the betweenness is not there. For example, if these three points are in these three different directions, so how can we say which point is between the other two? P point, Q point and R point, these are the three given points, but they are not in a straight line. So we cannot say that which point is between the remaining two, because they are not in a straight line. So condition for betweenness is that unless and until the given points are not collinear, the betweenness property is not satisfied. Now let us understand this question by taking one example. I will show you one example.
Start.
Now let us consider this example. Distance AB is 5 unit, distance BC is 7 unit, and distance AC is 12 unit given. Now from these distances, let's check which three. Here the 3 points are ABC 3 points. So how can we understand which point is between the remaining two? Now here the three distances are there. One by one we will add two distances and check whether we are getting the, after adding, the sum is equal to the third distance or not. Now let's we add the first two distance, that is distance AB plus distance BC. Distance AB plus distance BC is equal to 5 plus 7. Sum is 12. Now distance AC is equal to, also given, 12 unit. Therefore we can say that when we are adding these two, we get 12 unit, and distance AC is also given 12 unit. So both these numbers are same, 12 unit and 12 unit. So therefore result is distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. So after adding these two, we will get the distance AC. Therefore these 3 points are collinear point, because here the condition is satisfied. So first we prove the 3 points are collinear point, and this distance, total distance AC is 12 unit. So here is A point, here is C point, this is 12 unit distance, and it is divided into two parts, that is 5 unit and 7 unit. So this is 5 unit and this is 7 unit. So what is your observation? This B point is between A and C. So if the condition is satisfied that when we are adding any two distances and we will get the third distance same sum, that number is same, then we can say that the 3 points are collinear and one point is between the other two.